Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone apps not downloading. So it is very easy. First of all, you need to open settings on your device, and here you need to first of all go to the general with a little gear icon here and go to iPhone storage. So in most cases, iPhone apps not downloading because there is no space for this application. So if you see that your iPhone storage is full, you need to scroll and see what application you don't use and upload it or delete completely. So for example, I will go to the Angry Birds 2 and I'll simply click on delete app and confirm the action to free the space for another application on my device, and then check if the problem is gone or not. If it still persists, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to go to your Apple ID right here, scroll down and click on sign out. Then it will ask you to sign in again, enter your password and sign in, and basically it will also help to resolve your problem. If the problem still persists, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to scroll down until you will find screen time right here. Then scroll it a little bit and find content and privacy restrictions. Click on it and make sure that it is disabled because it basically can block some apps from downloading. Now go back, and the last thing I'll suggest you to do to check your internet connection. So go to the Wi-Fi first, turn off and turn it on again, and choose the Wi-Fi that is connected to the internet. If you are not using Wi-Fi, go to the mobile service, turn off mobile data and turn it on again. Then go back, turn on airplane mode for a second and turn it off again. It will basically reload all the connections on your device and will help resolve your problem. So basically that is it. That is how you can fix iPhone apps not loading. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.